And by the way, I congratulated the incoming president of Ghana today. All right, on the phone, not on the phone only, on the video call. The prophet is not the gift of prophecy. He has the gift of prophecy. The gift of prophecy can give comfort. But the prophet might actually just bring danger only. And no comfort whatsoever. Doom one.
That's deep.
Amos was a prophet of doom.
Yes. That's right.
From beginning, he was just doom only.
Yeah.
Jeremiah 27, what did he say? The Lord, you have deceived me and I was deceived. For you are mightier than I. You lied to me, God. He's complaining. What does he say? He says, for you are stronger than I and you prevailed. That means he fought it. I'm in derision daily and everyone mocks me. For since I spake, I cried out. I cried violence and spoil. And by the way, I congratulated the incoming president of Ghana today. All right? On the phone. Not on the phone only. On the video call. So that means I have the video call.
Yes. Major.
Just in case you might start arguing in the near future. I have the proof and I will show you the proof. So please, leave me alone. Let's go with this thing. 100%. And I'm happy that the whole team was up there. My whole media team was up there and boom, boom, boom. And I finished and then I said, yeah. So trust me, I recorded it. Oh, yeah. All right, now hear this. Are you here?